got out today, check out some new prospecting spot. It looks pretty cool. Some waterfalls and some crevices and that. I'm excited to get over there and try it out. So, I'll show you what it looked like. Looks like a nice crevice here. I'm hoping maybe try it out. I don't know, but where I'm at, these round granite rocks and things like that, and giant ones, and then some more boulders, all mixed in this area. Really cool thing is this one has veins in it. I'm not sure what kind of veins, but it runs all the way through it, different multiple spots, which is really cool. Something like quartz or something in there. Been here for a while. So how it got here must be glacial. I'm thinking if this is here, maybe there's some gold. I'm gonna be digging in this spot because it seems to be a bunch of these. This is a bigger one, but then there's smaller ones. There's some more down by my bucket, all crammed together right there. So I'm thinking this is where, and then there's even one down a little farther. Right there. And down farther than that. But it seems like there's a lot of gravel right through here. So I'm guessing this might be a pretty decent spot right there behind that rock. I'm going to be trying that out. It was a pretty good day. I didn't really do that much. Didn't find anything. But I'm going to hit that place again. A little bit more time into it. And I think maybe I'll find something. I sampled a few spots. So. But it was a very nice day. It was great out. The sun was shining and the snow was melting and the water was a little high, so I didn't really get as much as I wanted to, where I wanted to. So we'll try it again once it starts to dry up a little bit.